Creating a bedtime story routine can be a magical experience for both you and your child. It's a wonderful way to wind down the day and foster a love for reading. Here are some essential tips to help you establish a soothing bedtime story routine. First, choose a consistent time each night for story time. This helps signal to your child that it's time to relax and prepare for sleep. Consistency is key in building a routine that your child will look forward to. Next, create a cozy reading environment. Dim the lights, snuggle up with soft blankets, and ensure the room is quiet and free from distractions. This setting will make story time feel special and inviting. Select a variety of books that are age-appropriate and engaging. Mix in classic tales with new adventures to keep things interesting. Let your child choose their favorite book sometimes, as this encourages their involvement and excitement. As you read, use different voices and expressions to bring the characters to life. This not only makes the story more entertaining, but also helps develop your child's listening and comprehension skills. Encourage your child to ask questions and talk about the story. This interaction enhances their understanding and makes the experience more interactive and enjoyable. If your child is old enough, consider taking turns reading. This can boost their confidence and improve their reading skills over time. Finally, end the story time with a calming ritual, like a gentle lullaby or a few moments of quiet reflection. This helps your child transition smoothly into sleep. Remember, the goal is to create a peaceful and enjoyable experience that both you and your child cherish. With patience and creativity, your bedtime story routine can become a treasured part of your daily life.